I'm working on an automatic door,
Yeah.
and I don't know which one of these down here is going to be best for me. I mean, I got the cord here, and I'm going to plug it in with this.
What
and
is it?
I need one of them that's going to plug in.
Plug in for...
Mm-hmm.
What kind of door is it?
Yeah.
Is it for a front door or...
Yeah, it's going to be on the front. Now, I mean, the reason I said this, I used to be in the Rangers.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And we used to make them doors.
Yeah.
We'd be out in the woods, we'd make them doors.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You want like one of them an automatic door opener?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna plug it in on the wall. And if I turn on the switch, it's gonna open.
I don't know. Most of these are manual doors.
Well, I mean, there's got to be something. Let me tell you something about automatic doors. I had a few of them back in the past.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's see, what color is the one on it now? What color is it on it now? Because you want to go with the same color that
Red. Give me that one right there. Oh Lord, that ain't even gonna work no way. I need about 120 foot.